The Capybara Adventure. It was starting April day in California. A cool breeze was blowing, and Kamoto family was relaxing in the garden. Kyo, the capybara, playing there too. Oh no, my ball rolled away. The ball rolled into small cave. Soon lunchtime came. Atsuto couldn't find Kyo. Kyo, where are you? Back, a shadow came. Back home together, thank you. The Capybara Adventure. The California. Family relaxing. Capybara playing. Oh no, ball away. Rolled into cup. Kyo quickly ball. Atsuto couldn't find Kyo. Kyo, where are you? Thank you.
The Capybara Adventure. In a spring April day in California, a cool breeze was blowing and Kamota's family was relaxing in their garden. Kyo the capybara was also playing out there. Oh no, my ball ran away. Ball rolled into a small cave and out of his sight. He quickly followed the ball. Soon lunchtime came, but Atsuto couldn't find Kyo anywhere. Kyo, where are you? After a while, he found the Kyo's footprint. He carefully tracked the footprint until he discovered a hole. Oh no, this is so scary! The hole was super dark and strange noise inside. Bark, bark, a shadow came out of the hole and leaped on Atsuto. He screamed, "Yeah!" Kyo escaped the cave but clad with Atsuto. They laughed and ran go home together. Thank you.